In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily connect the TrackJack GO in your car. The TrackJack GO is a GPS tracker that easily keeps track of all your trips. You can easily and conveniently view all those trips on our website or through the TrackJack app. Let's just grab the TrackJack GO device right now. This is simply the tracker. As you can see, it's very small. On the side, there's an OBD port where you can connect the OBD plug. That also comes in the packaging. You can connect. The other side of the plug connects the OBD port in the car. If you don't know where it is, it's often located on the left under the OBD port. Are you unsure where exactly it is? Just Google OBD port along with the make and model of your car, and you'll see the exact location where you need to install it. Attach the adhesive strip to the back of the tread jack for storage. Alternatively, use the tie wrap to secure it. To stick on the back of the tread jack so it can be easily tucked away later. If you prefer not to use the adhesive strip, there's also a tie wrap included that you can use to secure it easily. It's really just about what you find most comfortable. Okay, we're going to install the TrackJack GO, installing in a Toyota. Plug the OBD cable into the port of the car and check if both lights turn on and blink. Then, secure the TrackJack GO behind the dashboard or in another spot where it won't get in the way while driving. And there you go. TrackJack GO is installed. Do you have any questions during the installation? Then scan the QR code on the card in the packaging, and in another video, we'll explain how to activate the TrackJack GO. Good luck!